What's up, YouTube? So we are on a different project other than cars today. So I have these ancient 400 or 700 line cameras. Like, this thing is down to like 4 LEDs out of the 30 plus. This thing used to make the front yard light up in the middle of the night. No moon out. It was that bright with those infrared. So I got one of these little outdoor Wyze cameras. Now, my old DVR, or DVRs I've had over the years, usually had some sort of free access to its storage. And the last one I got, which is this Bosch unit here, don't get me wrong, it's a nice DVR. I got no access. They want, 10, 15 bucks a month, whatever the hell. So I bought a bunch of Wyze cameras. Now, my house is wired, with plug and play and cabling. So I have 12 volts at the cameras, plus the normal analog. These guys run off the internet, but they need, USB power. Yeah, this guy here. So what we're doing today is taking one of these cigarette lighters, gutting it, which is this piece here. This takes 12 volts down to the 5 volts. So I soldered on power and ground, plug it into the 12 volt power supply. Now I have, a step down transformered it. And now I could put my cameras up and not have to pull any new cabling or drill any new holes or any of that stuff. So once again, the tip here is positive. The side piece here, focus, is your negative, supposedly, depending on what part of the world you're in. And yeah, I'm going to throw some tape on it, maybe throw a coat of clear paint so it doesn't corrode out in the elements. And now I have 12 volt down to 5 volt to run my cameras. So now I have, cameras that could be on my phone to get notifications and all the stuff that I used to get before I found this ancient, DVR. It records, but the monitor burned out. My projection or projector, little portable projector I was using to, blast it on the wall here to watch who the hell's been in my yard or whatnot. Well, that broke too. So now I'm back to building new shit. So these cameras are like 30 bucks. These are the outdoor cameras. This mount was separate. And so far I like them. You just need to stick a memory card in them, and you have half-ass cloud storage. So depending on how big the memory card is how much storage you get. But I've been using them for a while now, and I like them. So not sponsored by them, but this is the kooky shit that I'm doing to fix it. Actually, let's go outside. So here's my connectors. 1/2 twist BNC, and my power. When I plug this guy in, I should get a light. And as you see, I have power. Now I plug in my camera, and there we go. And stuff all this back in the wall. So, yeah, I get tossed the DVR, but I still gotta keep the power supply, which is fine with me. And the thing's rated for I think it was 15 amps, because it would do 8 cameras or 16 cameras. I can't remember, but yeah, this guy is not sucking up 15 amps. So I have 3 more of these to make to cover the backyard. Yeah, but there we go, people. Quick, simple project, to update the shit you got. That way you don't have to re-pull stuff. Cigarette lighter, USB charger for your phone. These cameras aren't pulling, 3 amps that I know of. And yeah, so there we go, people. Till next time, peace out.